Wild Delta berries. What is up, you guys? Isaac G, aka Rippin'Lips 36 here, doing another video. We are back at the pond, and as you guys saw in the intro, my new logo. My dad's friend Chimp did it, so shout out to Chimp. That logo is sick. You can see the little 36s where Rippin'Lips is. So let's get to fishing. Got him. There we go. First fish. No real hook set needed right there. Got it himself. Yes, I was recording. This little guy. Oh! Got him. Let's get a release. Alright guys, so while I turned the head mount off trying to download the clip, I got this little guy. And yes, he did destroy it. Let's get him unhooked real quick. And he goes it. It's gonna be tough to get out. He choked it. There it is. It's alright, little guy. It's okay. I got you. He's off. Not because my phone's running out of battery, but just casting right through around it full. And these little guys are just destroying it. I had a couple other bites, I had a couple fish come off, but this guy took it, so he was the second victim. Eee! Freaking swallowed that thing. There it is. Alrighty. See you, little dude. Alright guys, got another one. But I'm missing a lot of fish right now. The hookup ratio with this thing, this jig head is bad. And the reason is, I'll show you in a second, let me get this guy back real quick. So, as you can see, the hook is bent outwards and up, so, and then this little thing right here, the little fin, is in the way. But I'm still getting them, so see you guys next catch. I've been missing a ton of bites over there. I had just moved spots. Got this little guy. Gonna get him unhooked real quick. Look at the teeth on that little dude. Let's get him back in the water. Whew. See you guys next catch. So with this current, there's a little bit of grass, and I'm just pitching it right next to it. These little bass are coming out and destroying it. Let's get a release on this little guy. There he goes. Alright you guys, just doing the same thing, and I lost like a 2-pounder. This hook is gonna be the death of me. Freaking got him up to the bank, jumped once, and see you guys next catch. That's where I lost the little 2-pounder. And I'm just flipping that there, flipping lure there. Got this little guy, probably the biggest one of the day, but it's getting back. Little flopper. See you guys next catch. It's a little baby bass. We'll get him off the hook. This is one of the tiniest I've caught. And just get him off the hook. He wanted that. Just a little baby bass. There it is. Here you go, little dude. See you. You guys, so I saw a little lure sitting right there. I'm like, what is that? It looks like it's a little swim bait. I don't know. I think it's Zoom. That's what I use these. But I'm going to go ahead and tie this on and see how it works. First fish on the new lure. They have been destroying this, but I just haven't been able to get a hook up. And let me just show you something real quick. My God, is it gone. My Lord. This lure has been demolished. if I could get him unhooked. This guy just choked it. It's gonna be tough. Looks pretty good. Man, this is tough. Here it is, here it is. There we go. Let's get him back. And he's off. Champ, sides. Got this little guy, barely hooked him. We'll get him back. And he's off. See you guys next catch. We got the wild Delta berries out here at the local pier. Man, these things are good eating. See you guys when we get to the pier. See you guys next catch. All right, you guys, just fishing straight down using the chunk anchovy. Got this little striper here at the local pier. Let's get a release. See you guys next catch. All right, you guys, me and James doubled up, but he lost his in the process of bringing it up. It was a good fight. He had a good fish on there. And I got this little dude. Got the tiny little guy. Perfect entrance. See you guys next catch. I was just reeling my bait in, and I tried to flip the fish up. Freaking came off and flew to the side. It was hilarious. But anyway, get it back in the water. See you guys next catch. Nice little striker right here. Put on the measuring board. Let's see if I could go to another measuring board. That one was all messed up. Good looking striper right here. It's a female. Alright, he's 14. 14 incher. Good release. See you guys next catch. Jovi, get a release. It's a bit windy out here. Does it keep the fish from biting? See you guys next catch. Baby though. So we'll get a release on him. See you, little striper using my rod. Yeah. Just a little baby. Just a little baby. Shake. Oh, I just got a butt shark. Come on, James. Just grab him. There you go. You look like you're about to marry that thing. Alright, you guys, that is going to be it for today's video. Had fun fishing at the pond. Caught a couple fish there. Snagged that lure. That lure works good. Gets a lot of bites. Had fun fishing at the pier with James. Caught a couple fish on the anchovy using my new Abu Garcia rod and reel. So, yeah, that's it for the day. Had fun. And as always, ICG, aka Rippin'Lips 36, signing out.